So we have some crazy twister thing going on over here, and then over here we have this like new grass fire going, which does not look very contained. And of course it's blowing the smoke right over Lahaina, so I'm sure it's triggering all sorts of people to freak out. And I can see fire going up the hill with no fire trucks next to it. But then there's this. What to make of that? Weird twister? This is like act of God stuff, man. This is weird. And Lahaina is just behind those buildings over there. And that's just over like a lava field. But that's like a full-blown twister.